Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We're the highest rated printer service center nationwide. If you're interested in learning how to receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We're here for all of your printer and office supply needs. Today we're working on a Brother MFC-L5850 printer. We're going to show you how to clean the scanner glass. So if you've ever noticed that whenever you send a print job to the printer from your computer and everything comes out just fine, but as soon as you're going to make a scan or a copy, then you're starting to get blemishes or lines, anything that shouldn't be on there. That's going to indicate that there's something dirty on the scanner glass. So on this particular model, you can scan either from the top document feeder or from the flatbed scanner. Depending on when you're noticing the blemishes, depending on which scanner you're using, is going to indicate what piece of glass. There's actually two separate pieces of glass that get scanned on this printer. If you're using the flatbed scanner, that's just this big piece of glass here in the front. If you're using the top document feeder, it's going to be this little strip of glass on the left side of the printer. So, in our instance, we're going to need to clean that little strip of glass on the left side because we're noticing problems when we're scanning through the top document feeder. So to clean it, we're going to use a lint-free cloth, your favorite glass cleaner. If you don't have any glass cleaner handy, you can use rubbing alcohol, that also works. You're going to apply your cleaner to your cloth. Never apply the cleaner directly to the glass. You can cause a lot of problems if you do that, so please make sure you apply your cleaner directly to your cloth and then use that to clean the glass. So we're looking for anything that's kind of making blemishes on the glass, whether it be ink, whiteout, some leftover adhesive from something, sometimes just dust. So we just want to go through and make sure it's nice and clean, there's nothing left on it. Just give it a good visual inspection, make sure everything looks about right. And while we're here, we'll go and just wipe down that flatbed scanner. It's not going to hurt anything. Make sure everything looks good, you don't see anything that's visually still there. Once you're happy with the way it looks, I'd go ahead and run a couple extra copies or scans. Make sure you're happy with the results. If there's still little smudges or anything on there, there might just be a little bit that's hard to see on that glass. Just clean it one more time, that should take care of it. But other than that, you should be back up and printing.